I challenge you to try this homemade natural recipe for 7 days and transform your dull skin into glowing and fair. Save this video so you don't lose it. For the recipe, add 2 teaspoons raw milk in a bowl. Milk contains lactic acid, which acts as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and revealing brighter, smoother skin. It contains vitamins and minerals like vitamin D and calcium, which promote skin health and can contribute to a more radiant complexion. Before step forward, please follow and subscribe to get healthy tips daily. And add a pinch of turmeric. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which may help reduce redness, acne, and dark spots, promoting an even skin tone. Mix both ingredients very well and apply this quickly. Prepare magical recipe with a piece of cotton into your dull and dark skin. After applying, leave it for 20 minutes and wash with normal water. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video to your family and friends.